How to upload your first class to Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload your first class to Skillshare. And how do you do so? The first step, of course, is to ensure that you've applied to be a teacher on Skillshare and that you have been approved. So once you've applied and you have been approved, your account settings would be slightly different. That is, by the top part of the screen, you will also see the option teach. All right, by the top right corner here, you see the option teach. So once you've applied and you're now a approved teacher on Skillshare, ensure you have your videos made already, edited and all. And then once you have that done, log in into your Skillshare account, just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner where you can see the option teach, then just click on it. So once you click on the option teach, you'll be taken to a page where you see some prompts. Follow the prompts to upload your video lessons, and you'll be asked to fill out your class title, the description, and other details. Ensure that after uploading it and filling all of that, you will see the option publish. So just go ahead and publish the class. And then after publishing the class, Skillshare will review it to ensure that the class meets with their guidelines. And then once you're done, you are good to go. Okay? It's that simple. So ensure that you apply first of all to be a teacher and you are approved. And how do you apply? Move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, scroll down and click on the help option, and then go ahead, reach out to the customer support that you would like to apply to be a teacher. Follow the instruction given to you, and then once you're approved, your account will be upgraded. Click on teach, upload your class, and then publish your class, and you're good to go. So this is how you can upload your first class to Skillshare. It is very simple. I hope this video has helped. If it has, ensure you leave a like and then subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.